Once you start at SketchUp, you get this welcome screen. It gives you information about your license, you can choose a template, and you can learn about other resources SketchUp has to offer. These include the extension warehouse, where you can find plugins and useful tools for SketchUp. You can also find out about live training sessions around the world. You can also visit SketchUp's blog, where you can find useful tips and tricks for the program. What we want to do is really just set up our template. So under the arrow here under template, just click on it. SketchUp gives you a variety of templates you can select. Whether you're working in feet and inches or in meters, there's a lot of different templates that you can choose from. The workflow that we're going to do is really going to start from this plan view feet inches. And this is the template that I typically use when working in SketchUp. It gives me a plan view in feet inches, so it gives me a top view, and it gives me just a white plain model space. So I don't have to worry about changing the style in SketchUp where the sky is blue and the ground is green. I really just like the plan view that we have here. Now, I don't like seeing this welcome screen every time I start SketchUp, so I'm just going to uncheck Always Show at Startup, and then click Start Using SketchUp. Next, we're going to set up our toolbars.